You see Van and I a lot of times out using a lot of products from Gripple. Well today, Van, we've got a brand new product to show everyone.
That we do. I'm really excited about this product, Keith. I think it's going to be a really good product. It's got good holding strength and really going to make life easy for producers out there.
That's right, because Van, everybody has these small rolls sitting around out here out west. If you look around, these fences go on for miles. So very rarely are you using a exact quarter-mile run.
Yep.
And the price that steel has gotten, why throw these away? You can just splice them together and keep on running down your line.
Absolutely, Keith. Great point, and they're great for repairs too. So if you do get a tree fall or some type of disaster on that fence where you get a break,
right,
these will work great to splice wire together.
So Van, here it is. The high tensile barbed wire gripple.
Yep. Works great on 15.5 gauge and 14 gauge Cattleman Pro.
Right. Gripple had the original barbed wire gripple for a while, and that fit the 12.5 low carbon. It would work on the 14 gauge, but didn't have a real good holding strength. And then you had to drop down to the Gripple GP medium to join 15.5 gauge. But with this gripple, it joins 15.5 gauge, it joins 14 gauge. It's got a rating of about 880 pounds, but I've done some personal testing and I've seen this gripple hold our 14 gauge Cattleman with no problems well past the unwinding point.
That's great, Keith. Anytime you can add an accessory like that that speeds up the process of joining two rows together is a really nice option to have.
Right, and they've changed the mechanics a little bit. It's got a wedge type system for better holding strength. So like every gripple, and we're here as you can see, and we're headed down this line. We finished this roll out. We're gonna hook this one up. You've got the entry, and like every gripple, just straighten it out good. Push it through. Locks in place. Good end caps on this one. They're inset, and Van, I'm proud to say that they involved us in these prototypes. It's got a great locking system. It's got great end caps that don't push out in barbed wire. And I mean, you just simply pass it through and we're ready to go.
And they stayed with the ceramic wedge.
Correct.
That way this will last for years and years. You won't get corrosion built up inside.
From the old steel type wedges, that's right.
Exactly.
So guys, remember, Bekaert has the Gripple accessories for all of the US. And when it comes time to purchase your fencing products, remember Bekaert, made in the USA.
Thanks for watching.